Hey guys, what's up? It's Mishti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishti Seva Gracias. In today's video, I'm going to show you something which is very healthy and gives you energy. It's protein laddu. So, let's get started. To start with, add 80 grams of urad dal or black gram in a bowl of water and rinse the urad dal or black gram until the water comes out clean. Wash it very quickly and strain out the water immediately. So now it's done. Now put them on a clean and dry cloth and rub it till the moisture disappears. Keep it under the ceiling fan or in the sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, till it's getting dry, let's do our dry roasting. So our first ingredient for our dry roasting is 70 grams of ragi flour or finger millet flour. Now, roast it well till a good aroma comes and the raw aroma goes. In this protein laddu, we're adding very healthy ingredients. Now our ragi or finger millet flour has roasted nicely. Now our next ingredient is our black gram or urad dal. Roast it till you feel a nice flavor or until they turn light brown in color. It takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. And now our urad dal is also roasted. Now let's roast 20 grams of oats. You know, my mom loves oats so much that she can eat that in all breakfast, lunch and dinner. And finally, it has roasted. Now let's add 30 grams of almonds and cashew nuts and roast them till they're light brown or brown in color. While adding dry nuts or dry fruits, you can increase and decrease the amount. Now let's just grind our black gram or urad dal into a fine powder. And it's done. Now let's just grind our oats. And it's done. And now let's just grind our almonds and cashew nuts. And it is also done. Now in a pan, add 1/4 cup of ghee and add our ragi or finger millet powder and mix it well. You can reduce the amount of ghee if you want. Mix it nicely. Now let's add our urad dal or black gram powder and again mix it nicely. I want you to be happy ever. Now let's just add our oats powder and mix it nicely. This laddu is filled with the goodness of dry fruits, ragi or finger millet, oats and flax seeds, which is good in omega-3. Now let's just add 100 grams of jaggery and mix it well. If you want to increase or decrease the amount of jaggery, it's your wish. Now it's almost done. Now our next ingredients is gonna be 5 to 6 pods of cardamom powder. And it's done. Now let's add our dry fruit powder. Now in a pan, add some ghee and add 1/2 cup of suji or semolina and roast well. You know why are we adding semolina or suji? That is because we want a little crunch in our laddu. Keep roasting it until we get a nice aroma of the suji or semolina. Now it's done. Now this is my most favorite ingredient in the laddu, flaxseed. Let's roast it into a fine powder like this. Now in a pan, add half cup of dried coconut powder and roast it well. We're adding dried coconut powder to get an extra tasty flavor. Roast it till it gets a brown color. Now in a laddu mixture, let's add some watermelon, sunflower and pumpkin seed according to your taste. Now add your dry coconut powder, 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, roasted semolina or suji, and now mix it well. Mix it very nicely. Now after mixing, now let's just check if a laddu is formed. If a laddu is not formed, you can add either milk or ghee or honey. I'm adding milk because I don't want extra sweets from honey nor the extra fat from the ghee. Now let's check that the laddu can be formed. Yes, it can be formed. Now let's just make a laddu out of it. And it's done! It looks so delicious! This laddu is very healthy and it can be given to any age of people. Please try this recipe. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and hit the bell icon to get the latest post from Mishti Seva. Gracias. Bye!